A policy brief that identifies the link between climate change and sexual reproductive health and rights has been disseminated. The policy brief is expected to increase attention to gender issues relating to women's reproductive health in the National Adaptation Action Plan framework. Kemi Balogun reports.
The increasing negative effects of climate change are felt mostly by women, girls and other individuals who already experience multiple barriers to the realization of their sexual and reproductive health and rights. These individuals lack access to proper information, which limits the relationship between climate change and reproductive health, impacting negatively on their health and livelihood. To bridge this gap, this policy brief is expected to help create opportunities to better coordinate and integrate a response to these realities.
Women really takes a very big brunt of issue of climate change. So that is why we felt the issue of their sexual and reproductive health should be prioritized in the document. So we developed a policy brief that highlights the links between climate change and how it affects sexual and reproductive health.
Nigeria developed a National Adaptation Plan framework for climate change mitigation driven by the Ministry of Environment. While the ministry believes it did a thorough job, this meeting is called to iron out disagreements.
Which the ministry stressed forward that the issue has been captured, fully captured, and also details of it were explained into the agenda policy that the ministry developed for Nigeria.
We discussed it prioritizes health, but issue of sexual and reproductive health and rights for women and girls is not prioritized in the document. So, and we felt that this is not the best, thing for women and girls.
The purpose of the National Adaptation Plan is to guide government and lawmakers in developing, coordinating and implementing the various policies, plans, strategies and legislation that will enable the country address its adaptation needs, which should also translate to better policies for women's sexual and reproductive health and rights. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.